A routine speeding stop turns into a chaotic arrest in seconds. Today, we'll analyze why refusing ID and hiding behind a phone call leads to a legal disaster and an immediate escalation of force. Let's break down the law.
You guys cannot do this.
Yes, we can. Hey.
I don't have to hang up the phone.
Hey, listen, you're being stopped for your speed. Give me your driver's license and registration. You're going 75 in a 55. Give me your license, registration.
Stop opening my vehicle.
Hey, stop
opening my vehicle.
Stop.
Cody,
Stop. Give me your driver's license and registration.
hold on, officer, please.
I'm going to give you one more chance.
Cody, they're
205. Give me a channel.
Give
me one more
I don't
chance.
have my license on me, officer.
All right. Step out of the car.
Stop unbuckling my...
Step out of the car.
Really record.
Step out of the
Get your
car.
hands off of me.
Step out of the car.
Get your hands off of me.
Get out of the car.
Get your hands off of me. No, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Get in the car.
You don't have the right to
Stop.
do this. You don't have the right to do this, bro.
I got it.
You don't have the right to do this, bro.
Stop.
You don't have the right to do this. Get off
Stop.
me. Fuck off me, bro. You don't have the right to do this.
1835, active resistance.
My uncle on the speakerphone. Haley, grab the phone and put my uncle on speakerphone.
We got one security.
Haley,
No, get in the car.
grab the phone.
Relax.
Don't touch. No, bro.
Relax. Stand up.
You're tripping, bro.
Stand up.
Get your hands
Stand
off
up.
me,
Leave
bro.
your car.
The driver's refusal to hang up the phone and provide his license is a direct violation of traffic laws. Legally, when you are stopped by police, you are lawfully detained. Refusing to comply with basic commands like rolling down the window or providing ID constitutes obstruction in almost every jurisdiction.
What are you doing?
Get off me.
What are you doing?
You guys cannot do this.
Yes,
Come on,
we can.
bro, you cannot.
Stop.
Bro, it's a speeding. I'm sorry for, bro, it's not even that.
Lean against the car. Stop. We're trying to talk to you.
Okay, you can talk to me in my vehicle.
No. Relax.
204 flare.
Hey,
We've
my
got
phone's
him
right
secured.
there on the floor.
FHP's with me.
10-4, I got one.
Clear channel.
Get off me, bro. You guys are cuffing me too tight, bro.
Well, did you see what you did?
You pulled me on my car for no given reason, bro. I said, hold on.
No, hang up the phone. I don't care.
Bro, you're doing. Hey, you record this shit.
I'm in the middle of something.
No, you're in the middle of my fucking bullshit, bro.
Can you get her? Just secure her right now.
Bro,
Stop. How old are you?
don't worry about it.
I need to worry about it. How old are you?
Don't worry about it. Haley! Don't worry
Lift your leg
about
up one more time. Stop.
Watch your groin.
Yeah, I got it.
How old are
it.
you?
I'm not gonna hurt you.
How old are you?
Don't worry
We don't
about
want to
it.
hurt you either.
Don't worry about it.
We're going to relax if you relax. You understand?
Okay, I'm relaxed.
Okay?
Can you please loosen the cuffs? I won't move.
I will loosen the cuffs if you relax.
I won't move.
Okay?
Okay, I'm relaxed. I promise
Chill.
you. I
I
promise
need
you.
sit your butt right here on the edge.
Whatever you need.
Talk to me.
I can't.
1835, I got a couple 49 units.
Despite the initial struggle, notice how the officers attempt to de-escalate once the subject is in handcuffs. They offer to loosen the cuffs if he relaxes. This is a standard procedure to ensure both officer safety and the subject's physical well-being after a high-tension encounter.
What are we doing here?
May I turn around?
No, those are staying on until we figure this out.
I'm telling you, officer.
Yes. All right.
They're extremely fucking
Sit tight. Sit tight for 1 second. Where is your driver's license? You have one?
I don't run off or something.
You're good,
I
bro,
do.
too. Where's your license?
It's not on me.
Okay. I'll get it. You got a notepad?
I got a notepad.
How old are you, pal?
Please,
How old are you?
can you please let me talk to my uncle before I leave? Let me get to
No, not right now.
Work with us, we'll work with you. How old are you?
How old are you?
Why can't I talk to my uncle?
Because he's not here, and we
understand
stopped
that.
the car that you're driving.
I understand
That's not
that.
how it works. We're talking to
I have
you.
a right.
Listen,
35, 65,
if you talk to us, because we have to do our job, if we need to get your uncle, we will call your uncle.
Okay.
But right now,
Charlie,
you're with us.
372.
You're not. It has nothing to do with them. Okay?
Yes, but I
What is
need-
your first name?
I'm not giving you my name, officer. I need
So if you go to jail and you get booked in as a John Doe, you won't get out until
Look,
they ID
officer,
you.
I'll give you my name if my uncle is okay. I need to talk to my uncle before I make any decision.
Listen to me, okay? Okay?
Can you put my sleeve down, please?
Yeah. Here's the deal. I'm gonna talk to you, okay? Intent is never to take you to jail, buddy. Okay, we pulled you over for speeding. You didn't stop, and then you tried to drive away a little bit, okay?
No, I wasn't
Listen,
trying to
just hear
drive.
me
I was
out,
trying to
pal.
pull off
The teen attempts to negotiate his identity, claiming he will only give his name if he can talk to his uncle. Legally, you do not have the right to withhold your identity during a valid traffic stop. In many states, failure to identify while being lawfully detained is an additional criminal charge.
the road, so we're not in the middle of the road.
Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. Okay? I understand there's a lot of issues going on back and forth with law enforcement right now, and a lot of people think that we're acting out and we're doing stuff we're not supposed to do. Okay?
You can't roll the window up on us like that.
Can't roll the window up,
I
and
was
you have to
keeping it
listen.
halfway down.
You have to listen to us when we're on a traffic stop. Okay? When we conduct a
Understand.
traffic stop, you are lawfully detained.
You good with him for a second?
Yep. You are lawfully.
Yeah.
Actually, you're gonna get up to this. Yeah, I just saw you guys.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to transfer her or what you want to do with her.
Yeah, let me,
I called her as just detained for right now because I had no idea.
Chief Report Flyer, can we get one more to us? Yeah, here.
I'm a minor though. Can I call my mom?
Yes, we will get to that, okay?
Okay.
Right now, you're just going to have a seat in the car and just hang out, okay? I will come talk to you in a second. We'll go from there. Do you have an ID card? Do you have a learner's permit? Do you have anything?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years
You're
old.
17?
Yes.
Okay.
I have
But-
an ID. I have
Okay.
a school ID.
Okay, that's fine. That's
Could I-
fine. Yeah,
Could I grab my bag and
give me
my
just a
bag?
second, okay? All right, listen, just have a seat. I'll come talk to you in a second. I'll get your stuff. I'll bring it to you, okay?
Okay, it's my pink backpack
Okay.
and then my phone is in the passenger seat.
Okay.
Am I able to call my mom?
Yes, we will get to that in just a second. Just have a seat, hang out for a minute, put your feet in. All right. Yeah, you're good.
I don't know if I'm still connected. There's been voices hollering on the Bluetooth.
On
The phone.
that phone, I mean,
Well, there's another
Yeah,
one on the
okay.
seat that's connected to whatever call she's on.
yeah.
The officer mentions the odor of alcohol. This observation provides probable cause to expand the investigation from a simple speeding stop to a DUI driving under the influence investigation. This is a critical legal shift that changes the severity of the potential charges.
Stop them, freaking already arguing with us by rolling over the window, so now we give you one chance. Yank them out.
Well, like, I was coming over
Yeah.
and I hear you say one secure, so I'm like, all right, they're good. And then as I roll up, I see her at the corner barking at y'all, and
Yeah,
I'm
we
like,
got,
I gotta stop.
It was all over the place.
Just, I'll get with you when I get back to the house.
All right,
Hey, get me a notepad.
I got you, I got you.
Yeah, he's here.
It's not.
Cash right here, bud. Right here.
What's your first name? Delta 224 on teletype. Copy 2 out of Florida by name and date of birth for 2729.
Hello.
Hello there, is this...
Yes, it is.
Hey, this is Deputy Quinn, Flyer County Sheriff's Office. I apologize for the delay.
That's quite all right.
So where can I start for you? What do you got? What kind of questions? I know.
I guess he was speeding. I don't understand how it went from getting a speeding ticket and it escalated into him being taken in custody.
So when I approached the vehicle, I went up the driver's side of it, and I walked up to the driver window where obviously he was sitting, and I knocked on the window because he originally wouldn't open the window. And
During the phone call with the uncle, the officer explains the gear shifter incident. When a detained subject reaches for the gear shifter while the car is running, it is interpreted as an attempt to flee or use the vehicle as a weapon. This legally justifies the officer's immediate physical intervention to secure the subject.
I had to knock multiple times, and he was sitting on the phone talking to someone. And once I got him to finally roll the window down, I told him, hey, I'm, stopping you for your speed. I need your driver's license, registration, insurance. And at that point, he multiple times stuck his hand out and his finger and told me to hold on. And he was going to continue talking to someone on the phone. And I told him and gave him multiple commands at that point, to hang up the phone and speak to me and give me his information. And he continued to just refuse to even acknowledge me at that point. He kept talking on the phone. And I told him, I said, look, man, I need your stuff. And then at that point, I opened the door and I told him, hey, I'm going to give you one more chance before you know, we go further. I need your license, registration, insurance, or at least your name. And then he goes, I don't have my license. Reach his hand over to the gear shifter. And at that point, you know, the vehicle was still on, and he reached for the gear shifter. I went and grabbed him and said, all right, that's it. You're not doing this. And then that's when I went to just take him into custody, and he started to fight us, obviously, and all that.
I greatly apologize for that. That's not the way he was raised.
No,
I'll tell you
and
that. Like, you know, I've always told him, look, police tells you to stand on your head, you say where.
no, and the thing is, and I even told him, and I even told his girlfriend, I guess, I don't know what they are. Yeah. Another problem that came in that, because when I opened the door and I was talking to him, as soon as that door opened, the odor of like alcohol and all that was coming from the vehicle, and I could see his eyes were just bloodshot. And because I had my flashlight in hand, and I said, I'm giving you one more chance. And as he's talking, like, I can just continuously smell it. And when we got him out of the car, got him secured.
The presence of a 17-year-old minor in the car while the driver is allegedly intoxicated adds another layer of legal trouble. Under Florida law, this could lead to a charge of contributing to the delinquency of a minor, a serious offense that goes beyond typical traffic violations.
And we're actually talking to him closer, face to face. I mean, it smelled even heavier, and he didn't want to answer questions, all that stuff, which, you know, obviously it's his right. And we even asked him if he wanted to do a breath test or anything, and he did not want to. So unfortunately, based off of that stuff, I mean, he's 18, and I mean, he reeked like alcohol, and he's driving with a minor in the car, you know, but she's still 17. I will say this, at this point, the female's mom doesn't want to do anything at this time with him driving intoxicated, because he could look at another charge of contributing to the delinquency of a minor, because she still is 17. But at this point, you know, she doesn't want to do that. And I think, again, a little bit of it too. I mean, the girl had some weed on her and all that. But I mean, nobody was charged with anything like that. The only thing he got charged with was so he did get, it wasn't from us, because the other person I had there was a Florida Highway Patrol, a trooper, and he was assisting me on the traffic stop, and they took over they did a DUI investigation, and they did charge him with it. Again, he did refuse to blow and all that. So again, his license most likely will probably just be suspended, and he may have to do like a course or two, but that might be it. But the only thing he got from me was just...
This situation could have remained a simple speeding ticket, but the driver's decision to resist and refuse identification resulted in multiple misdemeanor charges and a DUI arrest. What do you think about the officer's explanation to the uncle? Was it fair, or should they have handled it differently? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more legal breakdowns.